You might have heard the expression doing work about work, and most of us really just want to get back to work. I'm Jill Duffy for PCMag.com, and this is Get Organized, a weekly series of videos and articles about digital organization. And today I want to show you a tool that can be used in business and for teams called Asana. At its most basic level, Asana is a task management application. It's online and there's a mobile app, but there's no desktop app, so you do need the internet to use it. Where it starts to become a business tool is when it gets collaborative. So you can assign due dates to different tasks, but you can also assign a person to the task. You can add tags, you can have a conversation around that task, and everything is kept in Asana, which gets you off of email and out of meetings. When you add followers to tasks or projects, it allows those people to receive updates about your progress with the work. You can also assign tasks to people or assign them to yourself, and you always have the ability to remove someone from an assignment if it changes. So there's a lot of accountability and transparency built in. When I went out and started to talk to businesses that actually use Asana in their daily work, I found one really important idea that a lot of people implement is the idea of templates. So let me show you one that I made. So a template would obviously represent some general project rather than a specific one. You can build these templates in Asana by listing all of the tasks or steps that are associated with this project, and you can include these little section headers to help you break down the project into multiple parts. So you can see some of my section headers here would be pre-planning, writing, editing, and Asana has a wonderful drag and drop capability, which makes it easy to change things as you see fit. This template is a list of all the steps that happen when we create an ebook. Now let's say we have an ebook that we're going to create. We can duplicate this project, change the title of it to be the actual project name, and then it will appear in Asana as a new project. We'll then use this project to guide us through our work, make sure we're taking care of all the steps, assign people to different tasks, and keep an eye on all the deadlines. For PCMag.com, I'm Jill Duffy helping you stay organized. You can email me at jill_duffy@PCMag.com.